Hello friends, नमस्कार. Welcome to discussion about Adani Stocks. ये Adani Stock की discussion के साथ हम लोग एक बहुत ही important psychology we are going to discuss, that is what buy cheap or buy right, which one to do. सस्ता खरीदे या सही खरीदे? That is the question. Almost $1 million question. This question के वजह से इसका सही आंसर जो ट्रेडर्स को पता नहीं रहता, दे कंटिन्यू टू सफर. ये आंसर ऐसा नहीं, खुद खुद के लिए पता रहना चाहिए, अदरवाइज योर परफॉर्मेंस विल नॉट बी दैट ग्रेट. सो लेट मी टेक यू टू अदानी. दिस इज माय चार्ट. जो लोग रेगुलर मेरे ऑब्जर्वर हैं, आप जानते हैं कि दिस इज माय चार्ट, माय फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड चार्ट. और उसमें क्या दिख रहा है? दिख रहा है कि अदानी में एक बाई सिग्नल आया है almost around 830-40 area, and now it is about 929. Of course the stock can go up, anything can go up, nobody can fully say ऊपर जाएगा नहीं जाएगा, but that is not our question. The question is to buy cheap. Like अभी भी, if suppose Adani goes to 2400, then this price is cheap that compared. So should I buy now? Suppose I say, chalo Adani is bullish and let's buy Adani around 100,000, above 1,001 round, around 1,070 के above one round, around 1,200 के ऊपर और एक round खरीदेंगे. अगर ऐसा बोला जाए, first question I'll get hit with, so why not buy now if Adani will go up? Nobody in future knows for sure will Adani will go up or not. But what I can observe that there are tons of resistance. 975, I have 1025, I have 1050. ये levels, different levels of in my setup जिनको मैं मानता हूँ 1050. And finally I have on the upper side, these are the round of areas. I have around 1160. So I might get up to this point, but there are a lot of resistance, lot of area to panic me. So how would I manage this? I want to rather, the smooth ride would be, once it breaks above this, very likely it will reach up to 1700. This 500 move can be quite a good move. Agar 1200 se bhi mila, that's a solid 25%. So abhi ke liye possibly I'll keep a small quantity tracker and I will let the tracker cross these resistance areas gradually, so I make some money. Don't take too much panic. Whereas when the run is smooth, I would push more quantity. So this is how to play, not to buy cheap, but buying at the right time is very important. So यहाँ पे देखिए similarly दिख रहा है कि अदानी इंटरप्राइज, अदानी इंसॉल मैंने देखा था पहले. फर्स्ट वाज इंसॉल, देन देयर वाज अदानी एंटरप्राइज. अ बाई सिग्नल, अ बॉटमिंग. फिर से मैं बोल रिपीट, बॉटम में हंटिंग इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. यू कैन गेट इनटू सम, बट मेरे हिसाब से मैं अपना जब तक ये स्ट्रेंथ स्कोर जो राइट साइड टेबल में दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, वो जब तक 70 नहीं आता, I don't do big ticket investments. And after that, I look at charts and others calculations. So right now, even if there is a bottom, only thing I am ready to do is tracker one, that is 5% or 10% of my capacity. Tracker one or two. I'm not interested. Big ticket gap, significant FOMO पे भी I'm not interested. Because there are a lot of good opportunity. इसलिए bottom hunting का नहीं, we need to get into good quality high run. वादीलाल देखिए, नारायण विद्यालय देखिए, these are the runs we talked about during ये जब February के टाइम breakout हो रहा था. Look at Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank, many stocks are great. So I want to be in the great names right now. जो greats है उनमें रहना पसंद करेंगे, not on these stocks. But I take note, like this is bottoming, buy signal coming, I've taken note and I've placed my alerts and buy orders as needed. So Adani port bottom hunting can come back. I'm waiting for the resistance to clear up. एंड आफ्टर दैट वो कैसे बिहेव करेगा अराउंड दैट रेजिस्टेंस, उसको मैं क्लोजली फॉलो करूंगा. अदानी पावर, अदानी पावर इज शोइंग एज हमारे क्राइटेरिया सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. I can invest, but lot of resistance is on the way, but this is strong. And as long as resistance gets cleared up, I don't have to hurry. There is a good run possible. Different stocks may possible a good run. China's China US tussle can turn beneficial for ports in India. So Adani Port can be one beneficiary of that. Ambuja Cement, lot of Adani stocks came back, not yet fully ready to run, but getting ready for the next round of run. So once it crosses the level, I think we are going to have very good runs. So a lot of promises for future. Ambuja, ATGL, not Ambuja, Adani Total Gas, a full green candle, which is mera minimum requirement to buy, but I'm not buying because I need other criteria. But if this is where, if I want to buy, this is the first area after a downtrend I can buy. But I'll wait for a buy signal. Abhi tak rainbow buy signal nahi aaya. I don't have the strength score, which is 61. I need 70. So ATGL is still very early phase in the run. They are getting ready. Adani stocks are getting ready for some good run, but in future, currently they have lot of resistance to deal with. Which time frame they can turn around? I think could be around July later on. They may turn more and more significant strength दिखाना चालू करे, but that's speculative. Definite timeline कोई बोल नहीं सकता. And AWL is also promise दिखा रहा है. So I will say Adani is showing promise. And promise shown में मुझे अच्छा लगेगा अगर मुझे अदानी promise में कौन सा बेहतर choice करना है. I think of course Adani Port, because it is satisfying हमारे criteria. I'll be closely watching Ambuja Cement. It is a cement known company. So how it is dealing with the resistance. I want to see more of Adani Insol, because Adani Insol का एक chance है कि it may break via this. So that's why I'll have a FOMO, not a tracker in Adani, and I can invest more. My criteria being satisfied, 70 speeding bull and plus 10 से ज़्यादा speed score. So overall मेरा focus रहेगा Adani Insol rather, not Adani Enterprise right now. It is not satisfying, not green. पावर पे फोकस कर सकते हैं, how it deals with the resistance. Port definitely one, because if it is very strong, it can break pretty fast. If it can't break fast, means by May it can struggle going ahead. So Adani Port may come back fast. Ambuja Cement will be in radar very early. ये भी रेडर में रहेगा, बट विथ ऐसे अलर्ट के साथ कि स्ट्रेंथ स्कोर ग्रेटर देन 70. AWL कमिंग बैक, बट उतना भी रेडर में नहीं. टू समराइज, अदानी इंसॉल, अदानी पोर्ट, अदानी पावर एंड अंबुजा सीमेंट, ये चार के ऊपर ज्यादा फोकस रहेंगे मेरे. सो दैट्स ऑल फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच ये वीडियो देखने के लिए. अगर आपको पसंद आया, डोंट फॉरगेट टू पुट अ थम्स अप. All the best from my side, and as always, happy trading.